Hello my crafty creative friends. In this tutorial I'm going to be sharing with you how I am making this granny square head wrap. I'm Deborah and I'm the hands behind Taylor's Yarn Creations. To start, I'm going to put the yarn on the hook and I'm going to go ahead and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I didn't show how I started this because this is basically just a tutorial on how I'm doing the rounds. To get it started is something totally different. If you would like me to show you how I got it started, I can do a tutorial on it, but I'm just showing you how I'm actually working on the rounds. To count, I need to make sure that I do 17 of these granny squares. So it should be 17 long. And then I'll start working on the edging. This is how I'm counting it. 1, each cluster is just 1 row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am now starting the 8th row. I chained 4. I'm going to put my yarn around the hook, insert it into this stitch, yarn over, bring it back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'm doing just a double crochet stitch. Yarn over, through, and I'm going to do that 3 times. And in between each, I will just chain 1. The edging is done differently, but I'm just showing you how I'm making the body part of the bandana or the head wrap. So it's double crochet, 3 double crochet stitches in 1 chain space to make a cluster, chain 1, so that prepares it for the next row. And you just do that all the way around, making sure you have 3. I know there's been times where I missed doing a cluster or a double crochet stitch. I can see that it was 2 and I had to pull it all the way back down. So I'm pulling me some more yarn out of this yarn art blue ball. It's really a pretty blue. Finish this double crochet and it works up really fast. You probably can do a bandana in a day, even if you're doing it off and on throughout the day, depending on how fast you crochet. Even if you don't crochet as fast, you can do it relatively quick. This is a quick, simple, beginner-friendly stitch for anyone who knows how to do a double crochet. So I'm going to pull some more from this yarn ball. As I get to the top, I will show you what I'm doing to make that little point, keep the point of the bandana straight. So now I'm at the top. As you can see at the top there are 2 clusters of double crochet stitches with 2 chains in the middle. So let's go ahead and do that. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through. Do that 2 more times. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to do 2 chains, 1, 2, and in the same stitch I'm going to do another 3 double crochet cluster. That's what I'm calling it. 3 double crochet stitches inside, so you will have a total of 6 and 2 chains in between to separate it, and then I will continue along this row. This is just a short video to show you how I'm working on my headbands. As you can see, the yarn I'm having to pull through. more yarn because it works up fast. And they turn out really nice. So I finished, this is the 10th one. And I'm going to put my, thinking about putting some type of tag on them. Just because I think they would just kind of make it a little cute. I'm not sure where I'm going to put the tag because the top part is kind of curly. I'm also giving my customer a really nice gift to as a thank you for her order. I always like to add a little extra something special to my packaging. And I will probably show you how I'm packaging them once I finish weaving in all the ends. I need to weave in all the ends to all 10 of the ones I've completed. You guys may have seen this, me working on this in the last few videos. This is the last one. So for this, I'm going to do 3 double crochet stitches in the same 2, 3, chain 1, and then 1 double crochet. And I'm just going to do just 1 chain stitch so I can show you what it's looking like. I'm going to weave in the ends to this. Before, I didn't leave a lot of yarn, but it's tied pretty good. So I'm going to just weave that in. I am using, the hook I'm using, it came with a package. One of those little inexpensive ones, and I've had to glue this back, believe it or not. It's sad because it came loose. But this is supposed to be 2.5 millimeter. 2.5. I guess I've been using it so much I've worn off the lettering. I've used it so much I've worn off the lettering, but it's 2.5 millimeter. So that is it. And I will show you the finished product. That's it. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and I will show you the finished product